Chat GPT as vidIQ alternative. Create better descriptions, tags and titles with Chat GPT if you don't have any pro account for vidIQ or TubeBuddy. So let's get started. First of all, I have already uploaded a video on my YouTube channel which is related to adding white border to the image, right? So I want to add a better title to this video. However, I don't have a pro account. So if I don't have a pro account, I can only use 3 times of vidIQ services within a week or something. So since I don't have it, I don't have the pro account, what I usually do is I just type the title by myself, like adding white border to the image. But these type of titles doesn't look good and doesn't rank on YouTube very well. So what we will do is we will use the power of AI, we will use the power of Chat GPT, which is the new tool, to enhance our title, description and tags. So how we will do it? So let me help you with this. First, what I will do is I will just copy this thing here. I will also add Canva here, and I will go to Chat GPT. I have already opened it. You can log in and sign up, chat.openai.com/chat, and I will inform this tool to write a YouTube video title. YouTube video title on adding white border images, white border to the image in Canva, right? So I'm not impressed with this particular title. So what should I do? I will inform this tool to create more responses. So how do I do that? I will just inform the tool to I have informed the tool to write 5 more examples. So as you can see that these tools have started creating like 5 more examples. I will write 10 more examples. So I've got lots of options to pick the title that I want using Chat GPT as an vidIQ or TubeBuddy alternative. So you can pick any of these which you like and you think that will rank better. I feel right. I like this title, or let's say I'm choosing the first one, how to add white border to an image in Canva, quick and easy tutorial. I will simply copy this one and add it to my video title. So this is an amazing title which I've created. Now I need to create the description as well. We know that if we are uploading so many videos in a day, adding description is a tough job as well. We have to write everything in the description, or we can use these tools to create it, right? So what I will do is I will again ask this tool to create a description for me. So what I will do is write a YouTube video description on how to add white border to an image. So as you can see that this tool has created a description for me which is SEO friendly. Not to forget, this is an SEO friendly description. How I can say that? See, as you can see that in the first line it has added the title to the description. which is one of the things which we do in the SEO. So I believe this is the best description. If you're still not happy with it, you can click on regenerate response and it will create another one for you. You can start doing it till you like the one which has created by the Chat GPT, right? So you can choose any of these description. I was happy with the first one, but the second one was just clicked for the purpose of this video. On this one, it has started creating a whole step-by-step guide. This will really help you to rank your videos in the search engine optimization as well if you are creating search-based videos. Since it has created the whole article for us. So since I was happy with the first one, what I will do is I will just copy this one and add it to my video. Not I will just simply go ahead and copy paste it. I will also add, I will do a paragraph look on it so that it will look better. As you can see, this is looking way better now. So what is the other thing that we do usually with this is the tags, right? So if you don't have the pro version, it will only offer 3 tags here, 3 tags suggestion here. And if you're not happy with these 3 tag suggestion, as we have to fill up the 500 character tags, what we will do is I will ask the tool to create tags for me. As you see that this tool has started writing tags for me. This is an amazing thing, guys. White border tutorial, professional logo, Canva design, how to add white border, Canva hack. Wow. So if we go ahead and copy these particular tags here and paste it to our videos, it doesn't work that way. So what we have to do is we have to paste it one by one to this tool. Or there is one more thing which we can do. We can also do one thing. We can simply go ahead and copy this one and paste it to the Excel file and then repaste it to your video tag so that you don't have to paste everything individually. So that is another thing that we can do with Chat GPT. So I believe that this is a perfect alternative to writing chat using Chat GPT, the power of Chat GPT to write titles, descriptions and tags without any cost, and we can generate as many responses as we want and pick the right one that fits to your requirements. I believe you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then only add a like to this video and subscribe to my channel, because I will bring so many more videos related to these tools and creating such hacks to help you create better videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.